Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare simple and tasty, healthy, unique breakfast or evening snack 1 cup rice with lot of veggies. It is very simple to prepare and taste super delicious with tomato ketchup, coconut chutney or any curries of your choice. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare this recipe. We need 1 cup of rice, oil, boiled, peeled and mashed potato, some color bell peppers, capsicum, finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander leaves, grated carrot and some spices, green chili and ginger paste, red chili flakes, baking soda, black pepper powder and salt to taste. Now let's start the preparation. Take 1 cup of rice and wash rice thoroughly. Soak it in water for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Here I have washed and soaked the rice. Our soaked rice is ready. Take soaked rice in a grinding jar. Now we have to add boiled and mashed potato. Add little water and grind it into a smooth batter. Our rice and potato batter is ready. Let's take it in any mixing bowl. It is thin, you can see. Add black pepper powder, red chili flakes, salt to taste, green chili and ginger paste and all veggies. You can add any veggies of your choice. Here I have taken grated carrot, some color bell peppers, onion, finely chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and mix everything well. Now it's time to add baking soda. Stir it well. Now it's time to make, you can call it as a pizza or uttapa. Our tawa is hot. You can use cast iron tawa or non-stick tawa. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and add the prepared batter. Don't spread it like a dosa, just you can make it thick uttapam or pizza. Add 1 teaspoon of oil on the top. Close the lid and roast it on medium to high stove heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of roasting, open the lid and flip it to the other side. You can see it has roasted well. Now again close the lid and roast it on medium stove heat for at least 2 minutes. Time depends on your stove heat and your pan. After 2 minutes, flip it one more time and take out from the stove heat. Simple and tasty, healthy breakfast or evening snack is ready. Same way, keep stove heat to low and make one more uttapam or pizza. Add oil. Again close the lid, flip it to the other side, roast it for another 2 minutes and take out from the stove heat. Same way you can repeat the process for other uttapam or no cheese pizzas. These are very soft and tasty and very healthy too, with lot of veggies in it. You can cut it like a pizza and serve it hot with tomato ketchup or coconut chutney or any curries of your choice. Please do try this at home and share with your family and friends and enjoy cooking and eating. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.